Gurudev, science concerns itself with phenomena that are seen and observed, while spirituality has a lot to do with what happens behind the scene. Those who are highly educated in sciences don't acknowledge spirituality very openly, and those who are advanced in spirituality see science as incomplete. How can this gap be bridged?
By dialogue. This was like this a decade ago, but today it's much different. I was just in Mumbai. I addressed the surgeons, neurosurgeons from all over the world. We had a conference. I inaugurated the conference there. I never expected the neurosurgeon to asking me a question about God. So we talked about consciousness and how it has many abilities and what research. Of course, we signed Art of Living has signed research on our intuition process with the Neurosurgeons Association of the world. We have done that. But they were all deeply interested in the phenomenon called God. What is God? And what is life? What is this universe is all about? Today, that gap which we used to feel till a decade back is not there. Science and spirituality have come very close. Science has recognized the benefits of meditation, the benefits of chanting, how you chant something, what impact it has on the brain, and how the dopamines and serotonin in your brain in your system gets produced, the impact on the endocrine system of meditation, of breathing. All this has been established today. And nobody refutes we have a subtle body of energy, and it's very unique to everyone. Religion and science are poles apart. The cause or the reason being, religion says first you believe and then one day you will find the truth. But spirituality says differently. It says you experience now, and then if you want to believe or you don't believe, it's up to you. So science and spirituality have the same language. So there is never a conflict. Whereas religion and science have different modus of operandi. They're completely opposite in their approach. Science says first experience, only then you can postulate, you can believe in it. So you know it. Here religion says you believe, there you say no, I want to know. Knowing is given more importance. So when someone asks, do you believe in God? You have the answer in that very question. When you say you believe in God, that means you say you don't know God. If you know, why to believe? Got it? If you know, you don't need to believe. If you believe, that means you don't know. If you say, I believe my scooter is parked there, that means you are not sure your scooter is parked there. So if I ask you, do you believe your scooter is there? I believe, I know my scooter is there. Right? My car is parked there in the parking lot.